Is that Emmeline making those sounds? Yeah. Is that Emma? Yeah, is that Emma? Hi. Good morning. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. Home. Yeah. You want to say hi? You want to say good morning? Good morning. Good morning, baby. Say hi, sweetheart. Whoop. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Granddaddy. Bye-bye, Jaja. Bye-bye, Courtney. Bye-bye, Tony. Bye. Whoop.